Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to Amna Studio. The beautiful name of the day are Moiz and Rayyan. The name of Moiz meaning is one of the 99 names of Allah. The gender is boy. Lucky number 1. Religion Muslim. Lucky days Sunday and Tuesday. Lucky colors red, rust, light green. Lucky stone topaz. Lucky metals copper. And the name Rayyan meaning is in Sindhi meaning is full and purity. Gender boy. Lucky number 9. Language Arabic and the religion is Muslim. Lucky days Sunday and Tuesday. Lucky colors red, rust, light green. Lucky stones topaz.